Radar sweep complete. Correlating data.
Quantum signature stable. Tracking F-47 at Sector Gamma.
Weapon systems primed for engagement protocols. Quantum entanglement allows particles to share information instantly across any distance in space.
The pilot monitors stealth systems while artificial intelligence adjusts the aircraft's electromagnetic signature automatically.
Advanced metamaterials bend radar waves around the aircraft, creating an electromagnetic shield of invisibility.
The energy output is stabilizing. We're seeing a consistent reaction across all panels.
Cross-reference.
Active cancellation systems emit inverse radar signals that create destructive interference, making the aircraft invisible.
Quantum radar exploits entangled photons to detect stealth aircraft that traditional systems cannot see.
Gravitational disturbances created by the aircraft's mass could potentially betray its position to future sensors. The F-47 constantly adapts its electromagnetic signature in real time to stay ahead of detection.
Power levels are spiking in Sector Gamma.
Compensators holding steady. Entanglement levels rising.
Stable. We have entanglement lock.
Natural electromagnetic interference from storms can provide temporary cover, masking the aircraft from radar detection.
Traditional stealth relies on shape and materials, but quantum radar detects molecular disturbances in air.
Quantum radar sweep confirms our fears. The F-47 has a 5-second vulnerability window right here.
That's unacceptable. We need a countermeasure.
Specialized radar-absorbent coatings are applied with robotic precision, maintaining exact thickness for optimal stealth.
Active cancellation creates destructive interference, where radar waves meet inverse signals and completely cancel out.
Warning: multiple quantum radar sources detected. Lock-on alert. Automatic countermeasures deployed. Chaff and flare active.
While traditional systems provide limited cones of fidelity, the quantum radar network offers unprecedented domain awareness.
Nanostructured surfaces scatter incoming radar in random directions, preventing coherent reflections back to the source.
Quantum entanglement allows instant detection of aircraft, regardless of how stealthy it appears to radar.
Energy output increasing exponentially.
Adjusting containment field modulation. Stabilization initiated.
Reading.
Even during aerial refueling operations, both aircraft maintain their stealth signatures against the background sky. The F-47's metamaterial skin adapts in microseconds to perfectly match the background electromagnetic environment.
Warning indicator flashing on F-47-2. Localized threat detected.
Rerouting flight path now. Stealth integrity restored.
The competition between stealth technology and detection systems resembles an endless strategic chess match globally.
Thermal signatures expose even invisible aircraft, but advanced cooling systems defeat all infrared detection methods.
Advanced acoustic dampening reduces the F-47's sound signature to barely detectable levels even at speed.
The UV light is stabilizing the absorption rate at this frequency.
Agreed. The structural integrity of the compound remains intact. Active electromagnetic cloaking bends radar waves around the aircraft exactly like water flowing around stone.
Maintain the lock! Maintain the lock! Ah!
They're evading. Recalculate trajectory now.
Even the cockpit canopy uses specialized coatings that maintain pilot visibility while eliminating radar reflections.
Gravitational disturbances from the aircraft's mass could potentially betray its position to future quantum sensors. Carbon nanotube structures trap electromagnetic energy through multiple internal reflections until completely absorbed permanently.
The F-47 represents a quantum leap in stealth technology, specifically designed to counter quantum radar.
Hold it steady right there, it's aligned. Copy that. Engaging the torque wrench now. Secured.
Future satellite constellations will create global quantum radar networks, making stealth increasingly difficult to maintain.
Photonic crystals manipulate light at the quantum level, making the aircraft essentially vanish from view.
Strike Package 1 reports successful penetration.
Acknowledged. Effectiveness rating stabilizing. Weapons free on targets B and C. Night operations use infrared markers, completely invisible to enemy sensors, maintaining total electromagnetic emission control. Material science breakthroughs enable aircraft surfaces that completely absorb rather than reflect any radar energy. Every surface angle is precisely calculated to deflect radar energy away from the transmitting source. Every surface angle and material coating works together, creating an incredibly small radar cross-section.
Warning, detection probability spiking. Rerouting to optimal flight profile.
Confirmed. Quantum signature holding steady at 98%.
The actual signature is spiking. It's 5 points above the prediction model.
That doesn't align with the flight telemetry.
Reviewing the countermeasure frequency now.
Decoy drones saturate enemy detection systems with hundreds of false targets, overwhelming processing capacity completely.
The invisible war demands constant innovation as detection technology races ahead of stealth capabilities continuously.
As you can see, the optimized path planning minimizes exposure to the quantum radar grid. We initiate the sequence at 0400.
Nations worldwide compete to develop both quantum radar technology and the stealth systems to defeat it. Adaptive electromagnetic cloaking allows the aircraft to respond in real time to specific radar frequencies.
Natural phenomena like auroras create electromagnetic interference that can temporarily mask aircraft from radar detection.
Future conflicts will be won by whoever masters the fundamental physics of invisibility technology first.
All batteries, fire control solution requested.
Negative, the signature is gone. It remains invisible.
It has penetrated the inner zone.
Quantum radar exploits fundamental properties of nature itself, making conventional stealth techniques theoretically obsolete completely.
Coding check complete, all parameters nominal.
Stealth systems green, final diagnostics running.
Avionics clear, ready for engine start.
Advanced thermal management reduces infrared signatures to levels below what heat-seeking missiles can detect.
How vulnerable are the F-47 prototypes to the quantum radar threat shown here?
The spectral frequency modulation significantly. The F-47's onboard AI continuously analyzes threats and adjusts countermeasures automatically without any pilot intervention. Quantum entanglement creates instant correlations between particles regardless of distance, enabling revolutionary radar technology. Metamaterials represent a revolution in physics, enabling electromagnetic properties completely impossible in any natural materials.
Real-time threat displays show quantum radar locations, while AI recommends optimal evasion routes continuously.
We have achieved a materials science breakthrough, a compound with unprecedented radar absorption properties. Every technological advantage is only temporary in the endless cycle of detection and evasion innovation.
Satellite imaging confirms deployment of quantum stealth countermeasures. All aircraft signatures successfully masked from detection sweeps.
Quantum computers process enormous detection data streams, searching for subtle signatures hidden in electromagnetic background noise. the aircraft essentially becomes invisible by actively canceling its own electromagnetic signature in real time. Particle accelerators create the entangled photons that form the scientific foundation of quantum radar systems.
Acoustic dampening technology silences the aircraft, making detection by sound practically impossible, even when nearby.
How accurate is the tracking on this new quantum system?
It provides unparalleled situational awareness, even against stealth targets.
Experimental plasma generation could create temporary electromagnetic shields, providing additional protection against quantum radar detection.
The F-47 isn't just invisible to radar, but also defeats heat-seeking and acoustic detection.
Radar shows multiple threats, activating countermeasures.
Hard bank to avoid missile lock, now.
Evasion successful, threat neutralized.
The global arms race divides nations between those developing quantum radar and those building countermeasures.
The countermeasures effectively neutralize the quantum lock, as shown here.
Did the spectral flux remain stable during the evasion?
Future air superiority depends entirely on mastering quantum mechanics applied to both detection and evasion.
R5 correlating to the azimuth sweep shows a deviation of nearly 5 decibels.
That doesn't match the design specification in Binder 2.
The F-47 can destroy quantum radar sites using standoff weapons while remaining completely undetected itself.
Gravitational anomaly detection represents the ultimate threat, requiring revolutionary countermeasures not yet fully developed anywhere.
Mako 1, this is Chaos. Your EM signature is spiking. Repeat, spiking. You are compromised. Execute Protocol Delta.
Entangled photon pairs propagate through the atmosphere, searching for any disturbances that indicate aircraft presence.
As this comparison shows, the F-47's production cost is justified.
The aircraft's surface is an active system, constantly adjusting, not just passive radar-absorbent coating.
Quantum radar integration is revolutionizing military doctrine. It enables unprecedented precision in strike planning.
University and military researchers collaborate, advancing both quantum radar detection and stealth countermeasure technologies together.
Strike package is green to penetrate. Send the execute order.
Execute, execute. All aircraft commit.
Every mission profile receives a unique stealth configuration, optimizing the aircraft for that specific threat environment.
Quantum communication links between aircraft are theoretically impossible to intercept or jam using any method.
The F-47's quantum-resistant stealth capabilities ensure strategic deterrence. It restores a credible first strike option.
The invisible war continues as each breakthrough in detection spawns new countermeasures in endless cycle.